Hi, one this Wayne. Have you ever wanted the searing power of stainless steel, uh, durability of cast iron, and non-stick performance? Well, this is how we get it. This is the HexClad hybrid cookware. I just got this in. Never been more excited to put something on the stove as I am right now. Got it washed up, and I'm going to go through the seasoning steps. And I'm going to leave you right here watching. I may edit some of it out. It takes too long. There we go. Kind of see the skillet there. Alright, stay with me now. Okay, washed warm soapy water and dried. Medium low heat for 3 minutes. That's the way we do that. Put some oil on it. A little olive oil. Okay, this is designed to have a lower operating temperature than what we normally do. I'm a high heat cooker myself, so that's going to take a little bit of getting used to for me. But the heat really transfers throughout the whole skillet better than standard skillet, and that's where it gets the possibility of using lower heat, which will save energy, of course, but even more so, it's going to be good to cook with. Okay, we're running about 10 seconds left, and we'll go ahead and shut the timer off. And need a piece of paper towel. Hold it over to protect myself. Okay, now this handle is not hot at all. I mean, a little bit warm right here, but I think here it's cooler than my hand, so that's a good deal. And we'll do a couple of eggs. See how they do with just a basic coating of oil. Okay, so there's almost no oil in here. Salt and pepper, salt and pepper shakers, automatic grinders. And that didn't stick. The problem here was my spatula. Cook a little tighter there. This is amazing. I'm loving this. Beautiful eggs. Okay, so yeah, they do take a little longer to cook. A little patience. I think that's just amazing. I'm so thrilled with that. No oil in there to speak of. Beautiful. I'm excited. This is the most badass skillet I've ever seen. Look at those eggs. Just perfect. Anyway, go ahead and get you one of these skillets. Get salt, pepper shakers, and fry you some eggs. Oil free. Thanks for watching. Bye now.